Today we'll discuss in chapter federalism. Why do we need two houses of parliament? In India, there are two houses of parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Few countries are also there which are having two houses in their parliament or national legislature. On the other hand, some countries are having only one houses of parliament. So why we follow the procedure of having the two houses? What is the need of the having of two houses of parliament? First of all, the term of parliament. The term parliament refers to the national legislature. The legislature at national level is known as parliament, and the legislature at state level is known as state legislature. As we discussed earlier that some states are having two houses, such legislature are known as bicameral legislature. So when there are two houses of the legislature, it is called bicameral legislature. For example, the two houses of Indian parliament are Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Unicameral legislature, a legislature which consists of one house or one chamber only. Such legislatures are known as unicameral legislature. Example, Denmark, Turkey, etc. So what is the main difference between bicameral and unicameral legislature? If there are two houses of legislature, it is bicameral. If there is only one house of legislature, it is known as unicameral. Example, India, example, Denmark, Turkey, etc. Bicameral or unicameral legislature at state level. At state level also, some states are having two houses, and on the other hand, there are some states which are having only one house. The Constitution of India has given the states the option of establishing either a unicameral or bicameral legislature. In Indian Constitution, there is a provision that it is the choice of state. They wants to go with unicameral or bicameral legislature. At present, only 6 states in India having bicameral legislature. Earlier there were 7 states. Now there are only 6 states. Because now Jammu Kashmir is not a state, it is a union territory. The 6 states are having bicameral legislature. Rest of 22 states are unicameral legislature in India. 6 states includes Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, UP, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Earlier Telangana was the part of Andhra Pradesh, now it is a separate state. So these are 6 states which follow bicameral legislature, and rest of states follow the unicameral legislature. In these states, the states where is only one house, then it is only lower house, that is legislative assembly. It is also known as Vidhan Sabha. If there are two houses, then one house is Vidhan Sabha and upper house, the second chamber, is called Legislative Council. In other words, Vidhan Parishad. So Vidhan Sabha is lower house in a state level and Vidhan Parishad is upper house. What are the advantages of bicameral legislature? Why do we need the two houses? First, it is suitable to the countries with the large size and the much diversity to give representation to all sections of society. Like in India, world's second most populated country in the world. There are so much diversities are there on the basis of language, culture, religions. If we want to give the representation to all the sections, all the communities in the society, then it is not possible with one house. To fulfill this function, we need at least two houses. That's why in India also we go with bicameral legislature, not with unicameral legislature. These are the advantages. Second advantage is, it is preferred to give representation to all parts of country. So we can say that if we want to give the representation to all part of country, to all the geographical regions of the country, then we must have to be bicameral legislature. A bicameral legislature make it possible to have every decisions reconsidered. In bicameral legislature, all decisions are reconsidered because there are two houses. First decision will be considered from one house, then it will be reconsidered from second house. Every decision taken by one house goes to the other house for its decisions. This means that every bill and every policy would be considered twice. इससे मतलब कोई भी लॉ पास होने से पहले, वो बिल को लॉ बनने से पहले दो हाउस में जब जाता है वो बिल, so at least the house will be considered twice. This ensure a double check on every matter. It means every policy, every will be checked twice. So there will be a double check. Even if one house take a decision in haste or in hurry, if एक हाउस में जल्दी में वो डिसीजन ले लिया जाता है, उसमें कोई भी फॉल्ट रह जाता है, then decision will be come for discussion on other house. After passing from one house, that decision will be go to the other house and reconsider will be possible, or then in another house it will be reconsidered and that fault will be caught by second house. So there are very little chance for a mistake in the procedure of two houses while making any law or policy. So in India, these are the benefits, these are the needs why we are having bicameral legislature. In some other country also, Germany also having bicameral legislature. There are two houses. Lower house is lower house, Federal Assembly, and upper house is Federal Council. In German language it is known as Bundestag. It is Bundesrat. Bundestag, Bundesrat. Federal Assembly, Federal Council. There are 16 states in the Federal of Germany. Federal Assembly, lower house. The member of Federal Assembly are elected for 4 years. The tenure is 4 years. And they are elected by direct and proportional representation system. Both complex system is used of elections in the Federal Assembly Germany. Now Federal Council, 16 states, all states represent in the Federal Council, and the total strength of Federal Council is 69, and all seats are divided to different among these 16 states on the basis of population. These members are appointed as minister also. The member of Federal Council also appointed as ministers in the states. They are not elected members. They are appointed by state government as ministers. Legislation on concurrent, whenever the government is making a law, the parliament is making a law in Germany, if the law, the subject or bill deals with the concurrent list, then they require the consent or approval of Federal Council also. So this is the bicameral legislature in Germany. In India also we are having bicameral legislature. In Germany also we are having bicameral legislature. So now we have got the idea that bicameral legislature is very necessary in the country like India, which is full of diversities, to give representation to all the peoples and to have a double check on any bill or any policy. That's all for today's students.